Hi guys, the topic today we will elaborate is the coal car insurance. So guys, coal car insurance is an insurance product offered by Coles Insurance, a division of Coles Supermarkets Australia Private Limited. It provides comprehensive car insurance coverage for drivers in Australia, with options for additional benefits such as roadside assistance, hair car coverage, and windscreen and window glass cover. Overall, Coles car insurance has received mixed reviews from customers, with some praising its affordability and is easy of use, while others have criticized its claims processes and customer services. As with any insurance products, it is important to carefully review the policy with details and consider your individual's needs and circumstances before making a decision. Coles car insurance is one of many car insurance products available to drivers in Australia. It offers comprehensive coverage which include protection against accidental damage, theft, fire and weather events, as well as legal liability for damage caused to other people's property. One of its benefits of car course insurance is its affordability. The premiums for this insurance are generally competitive and can be customized to suit the individual needs of the driver. This is particularly useful for those who may have a limited budget or who only require basic coverage. Coles car insurance also offers a range of additional benefits that can be added to the policy. These include roadside assistance, which provide 24/7 emergency help for breakdown and other issues, and hire car coverage, which can provide a rental car if your vehicle is off the road due to an accident or theft. Windscreen and window glass cover is also available, is an optional extra which can provide peace of mind for those concerned about the cost of repairing or replacing these parts. Another advantage of Coles car insurance is its easy of use. the the insurance can be purchased only or over the phone, and the claims process is designed to be straightforward and hassle free. Coles insurance also offers a mobile app that allows customers to manage their policy, make claims, and access other services on the go. However, as with any insurance product, there are some drawbacks to Coles car insurance. One of the main complaints from customers is the claims process. Some customers have reported difficulties in getting their claims approved, delays in receiving payment, and issue with communication from the insurer. This can be frustrating and stressful, particularly if you need your car to get to work or other important commitments. Another potential downside of Coles car insurance is the limited coverage options. While the policy can be customized to some extent, there may be certain situations or types of damage that are not covered under the policy. It is important to carefully review the policy details and consider your individual needs and circumstances before making a decision. Overall, Coles car insurance is a decent option for drivers in Australia who are looking for affordable and customizable able coverage. While there are some concerns with the claims process and limited coverage options, the insurance offers a range of additional benefits and it is easy to manage. As with many insurance products, it is important to shop around and compare different options to find the policy that best suits your needs and budgets.